Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? So guys, in this video I'm gonna talk about my top 5 favorite fonts. Every time I'm getting a question from my Instagram, whenever I'm sharing a story about my typography or typefaces, what typefaces I'm using. So in this video I'm gonna talk about those fonts. So first font I'm gonna talk about Monroe. Monroe is one of my favorite font which I'm using a lot in my many projects, included my personal project, and it has beautiful typeface and it's a geometrics and it has many great style like 7 font weight it has, and it has also this a variable font style, which means you can easily make a thin or thick by using the properties. And even I'm using into my personal project Faizur. As you can see, this is Monroe, and it is very closer to the circular. If you're trying to buy circular font which is kind of very expensive, if you want to use it, you can use it. You even can download from the Google. So this is the first font. Let's talk about my second font. Second font called Inter. Inter is a one of amazing font. If you're trying to use Helvetica display now or some other expensive font, maybe this will be a great choice for you. It is a one of my favorite font. I use a lot in my client projects and it always satisfying me a lot. And this is also a variable based font. That's mean you have you can easily change the font weight how much you want according to your requirement, and it has a 18 font weight style, so it is kind of like a very big font and you can use into your projects. Third font I'm going to talk about Geomanist. This font is so much beautiful. If you want to show something like a very bold statement on your website, I think this will be the best choice because I use this font in too many projects and every time I got very satisfied result and very impressive typography on the website. So I think you can use this will be a best choice. But in this font you have to pay $10, so whatever you want you can pay over here. If I click and you can see it has 18 font style, you're getting into $10, so it's not a big deal, right? So let's talk about the fourth font, one of recently favorite font called New Machina. I hope I'm pronouncing right. This font is one of amazing font I found. I really like the style of every single word. I'm using this font in my current project. I'm really satisfied, and I'm working with a combination of two fonts, Helvetica Display Pro with this font for my heading, and I really love it. I'm really happy. This font is working amazing. So I think this one is a recently favorite font for me. You can try this font right away. Last font is a Morganite. Morganite is kind of like a tall font. If you're looking for a tall font, I think this will be the best font because I'm also using and I'm happy with this typeface. It has an 18 style and it is amazing. I'm really happy about this thing. And as you can see, it's looking so much beautiful. I love it. I don't have any words about this, so you can use right away. Even if you want to use your Instagram carousel, you can use in this and it will give you so much beauty on your website or on your Instagram carousel or other presentation. So guys, that's all. It was my 5 top fonts, and if you have any question, just let me know in the comment box. And if you are new, just like this video, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for supporting me. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.